Video is for educational and documentary purposes only. 18 plus only. Thank you for not deleting me, YouTube.
Day 7, strawberry cough and purple lemonade autoflower grow. Today is water day. We're gonna water with RO water with clean kelp, pH to 6.5. We're gonna give about a shot and a half. We're using a sprayer, so we're just sit here and spray until we got about a shot and a half. That's strawberry cough. Here's purple lemonade. We're gonna also give her about a shot and a half. Okay, there we go. Everything is still the same. PPFD on the light is about 160. Humidifier is set at 60% humidity. Fan is still on level 1. We're sitting at 73 degrees Fahrenheit. 58% humidity. Fan is at level 6. Exhaust fan. Fan for the light. Yep, we're doing good. Caught a bunch of flies on the sticky traps. I haven't really been having too much problems. There is a horse fly flying around my house, and I'm hoping that he will go in here and be caught. I gotta make some more distilled water today. But yeah, everything's going good. Purple lemonade is getting big and strong. So, get a nice close up. There you guys go. And strawberry cough. So yeah, that's all for today. Catch ya on the next video. Okay guys, hit Rippers 420 out. Day number 8, strawberry cough and purple lemonade autoflowers. Today we're gonna water with about 2 ounces of RO water mixed with clean kelp, pH at 6.5. So first we're gonna do strawberry cough. Okay, now we're gonna do purple lemonade. That should be good. Humidifier is still at 60%. We're gonna turn up the light here. It's at 160 ppfd. We're gonna turn it up hopefully to 200. There we go. As you can see, they're getting big. Caught a lot more flies. We're probably going to take the sticky trap out pretty soon, so I don't get it caught on leaves trying to get it out. Might set them up here, see if we can catch flies buzzing around the top of the light. Oscillating fan is still at level 1. We're sitting at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 57% humidity, fan levels on 6. So we're just cruising along, everything's looking good. Said we're gonna be giving them some stash blend here pretty soon. Their roots should be about developed. They're going on 2 weeks, so their roots should be nice and developed and starting to uptake nutrients. We did use some mycorrhizae when I did transplant them. I put a bunch of mycorrhizae in their hole, so that and the biochar should help with the nutrient uptake and stress. They don't look to be stressed at all. They look pretty good. So yeah. Okay guys. We'll catch you on tomorrow or another day. Hit Rippers 420 out. Hit Rippers 420 here. It has been 2 weeks since I transplanted Strawberry Cough and Purple Lemonade into their forever homes, and they probably haven't used up all the amendments in the soil, but we're gonna re-amend anyways. That way they don't have no lapse in being fertilized, and they'll be able to feed continuously. And so here we got some Gaia Green 444 all-purpose. We're gonna do 5 tablespoons each. I do suggest wearing a mask with this. This is pretty dusty and you don't want to get in your lungs. I'm not wearing a mask because I can't find one right now. I'm just going to be real careful today and try not to inhale it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 tablespoons each. That's 5 tablespoons for 5 gallons of soil. So that's a tablespoon per gallon. And now we're gonna put 20 tablespoons each of wiggle worm organic worm castings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. There's a little more in here because I got some clumps. You can just break those clumps up with your hands. These worm castings are kind of older, so they're kind of a little on the dry side. They're still going to work though. You get them wet and they'll break down and give off their nutrients. I'm going to pause the video while I do the next one. So hold on guys, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got, as you can see, we got 5 tablespoons of Gaia Green 444 all-purpose and 20 tablespoons of Wiggle Worm organic worm castings. Now we're gonna get some RO water for the fish fertilizer and the stash blend, what we'll be watering in with. This is how I get my RO water. I fill up this jug from my RO filter, and then I use this little pump There we go. We're gonna do the pHing off the camera because it takes so long, and I'm trying not to use up too much storage space here, but yet show you guys what I do. This is a cup of distilled water. You want to rinse off the KCl solution that you have in your cap. If you don't know what the KCl solution is, you want to check out my video on how I pH calibrated this Vivio Sun pH meter. Okay, here we have Alaska fish fertilizer. We're gonna do a half actually we're gonna do a teaspoon, actually half a teaspoon, yeah, half a teaspoon. This will give it nitrogen at a 5%, 1% phosphorus, and 1% potassium. But not only does it give NPK, it also gives it lots of nutrients and good bacteria, everything that's in the fish. You always put the stash blend in last. And we're gonna put a quarter teaspoon of stash blend. This stuff can clump up. It didn't clump, so not clumpy, so that's good. A little bit. There's a couple little clumps, but they'll dissolve. So like I said, I'm going to be doing the pHing off camera, so let's pause the video and I'll be right back when I'm done. Here I'll show you a little bit of the pHing. With that mixed in here, we're down at 4.85, 84, 83. So the fish fertilizer and the stash blend will take your pH down. So you're gonna wanna bring that up. To a 6.5. Anywhere from 6.0 to 6.8. I like to use 6.5 mostly though. It's always what's worked out best for me. So hold on, we're gonna pause the video again. Okay, we're done. We're at 6.6 for the pH, so that's good enough. Now we're gonna go over to the tent. Gonna take the sticky traps out. Now we're gonna unplug the fan so the dry amendments don't blow in your face, and unplug the humidifier. I'm going to pause the video for a minute so I can situate the camera. Okay. We're gonna do strawberry cough first. So get your dry amendments and spread them around. Then you take your hand and mix them around. You can wear gloves if you don't want to get this in your fingernails or anything, or you can just wash your hands afterwards. Okay, that one's good. Now purple lemonade. Just, there we go. I'll mix this one around good. Now we're going to take the liquid and water them in. There we go. So that's how we fertilize using organic dry amendments and some fish fertilizer. And we still have some kelp mix here. These things are just about ready for some low stress training. Okay, now we give Stash Blend once a week. So just put GG for Gaia Green and SB for Stash Blend, and we'll use Gaia Green again on the 21st, but we'll be using Stash Blend on the 14th, and we'll start training them here pretty soon. I usually just use stakes and bend them over and stake them. Let all the under branches and stuff get light so they grow out and grow big buds. We can put these back in now. And then just plug your fan back in and your humidifier and you're good to go. Okay guys, well, I got a mess to clean up now. Hit Rippers 420 out.